Before I start showing you around inside our room here at Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, I want to make sure I tell you all about DVC Shop. If you're planning a visit to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, you'll want to take a look. At DVC Shop, you can find confirmed reservations here at Boulder Ridge Villas or any of the other wonderful Disney Vacation Club resorts. You'll find fantastic deals over Booking Direct, and they're ready and waiting to help make your trip to visit the mouse just right. And if after your stay you find yourself wanting to purchase into DVC, then look no further than buy and resale through DVC Shop. Or do you happen to be a DVC owner? You can also rent or sell your DVC points through them. To check availability and learn more, click on the link in the description below, the first pinned comment, or even scan the QR code right here on the screen to head over and start enjoying the many great deals from DVC Shop. I'd like to thank DVC Shop for sponsoring today's video from here at Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas. Now let's get on with the tour. Okay, so as soon as we come inside the door here, notice here, just kind of a small little closet. Well, actually, I guess it's a pretty good size. You do have up here a laundry basket and some places to kind of hang some clothes, but I'm not noticing any hangers in there. So, I mean, great, you can hang your clothes up in here, but nothing to hang them on. And over here, just have kind of a small mirror, place to kind of hang some coats, maybe your keys, a little shelf there, that's kind of handy. There's the room occupied sign. Now we're going to head in here and take a look at the dining room and living room and kitchen area. So kind of just a little, I guess, kind of 4-seater tabletop here, a little bench kind of over there, a couple of chairs. It does look really nice. They do have some kind of definitely nice themed kind of artwork here on the wall. And then over here is where you'll find the kitchen. Kind of just a small kitchen, kind of what we're used to seeing. Kind of looks very much like the Saratoga Springs 1-bedroom that we actually stayed in. You can actually catch a link to that up there. But yeah, really nice little kitchen here. Do have a dishwasher and then a range with an oven. Kind of a small kind of apartment sized refrigerator here it looks like. No ice maker, of course, just ice cube trays. Wish I'd brought some of my own. A little bit of room in there. It's not your full size refrigerator, but kind of like an apartment size. Then you have a microwave up here. In here's where we'll find kind of our glassware, coffee cups, wine glasses. Not sure what that is. That's one really tiny cup there. You had a couple of those. Then on the back of here, well, I guess it's a list of everything that's supposed to be in here. And here's your dinnerware. Actually looks like dinnerware for 8 people. So lots of plates there, lots of side dishes. And then over here, kind of some baking things, serving dishes, that kind of thing. There's a cheese grater up there. You don't always see that in a timeshare. And some bowls there, a pitcher. Definitely has kind of everything you need. And then this is actually really cool. Don't see this very often. Usually they have like the Mr. Coffee, but they actually have a Keurig. That's pretty exciting. A Keurig here, so you can do single. And then over here you can do kind of your normal traditional drip style with filters. Starting coffee supplies. In fact, if we knew they had a Keurig, we would have brought some pods ourselves. Ice bucket over here, and it looks like a brand new toaster. Okay, and then kind of underneath the countertops here, well, here you have kind of your cutlery or utensils, silverware. And then over here, I believe it's a number of different kind of cooking utensils. You have a kind of flipper, some tongs, kind of a bottle opener, ladle, knives. And down under here, you have a cutting board, oven mitt, or kind of a trivet as well. Then you have a big pot down there, kettle if you call it that. Then over here, well, not too much, just some kind of additional supplies, some dishwashing detergent. And then I believe underneath the stove, kind of in what is the bread warmer, well, really noisy, not easy to get out, but the drawer does have some additional pots and a couple of non-stick skillets. And then over under here, underneath the sink, where you'll find the recycling and trash. Then here they do have, oh, you got your sink. Heading into the living room, this is where you're gonna find kind of some more artwork. Not too sure what this is. It says, add more magic to your stay with Hey Disney. I guess it's kind of like a Siri kind of thing or an Alexa. We'll see how it works. We'll kind of play with that a little bit later in the trip. You have your sofa over here. Does pull out, I'm sure, into a queen size sleeper. Okay, I have a correction here. Unfortunately, sometimes I do make mistakes when I'm going through my room tours. And before y'all jump into the comments and correct me on this, this is actually a pull-down Murphy bed. Don't really know what I was looking at there under the cushions. This pulls down from the wall. These Murphy beds, something that's actually pretty common in many DVC units. Then over here you do have a really big flat screen television up on the wall. Plenty of drawers and whatnot. So lots of storage here. You have kind of a bar area here, but No chairs of any kind, some shelves here. I was kind of expecting maybe a chair here in the corner that pulled out into a single sleeper, but no luck there. And then out here is, well, that's the patio or the balcony. We'll take a look at that here towards the end of the video. Now let's head inside here. We're gonna, I guess, take a look at the bathroom first. You do have pretty good walk-in size shower. Really nice shower. You can see the shower head up there. And you got your pump, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo here on the wall. Just a single vanity in here. So kind of a vanity here, and then we'll take a look at another one here in just a moment. And you do have the water closet with the toilet in here. So let's turn around here and take a look at the bedroom here in just a moment. But yeah, here's a kind of another vanity area. They do have a door that kind of cuts between the two. So that goes to the other one where we just came out of. The vanity there. Then you have a large soaking tub here. So no jets or anything like that, but really, really cool. And then some neat artwork here on the wall. Mickey and Minnie in a canoe at a really big waterfall. So yeah, really nice vanity. You do have a makeup or shaving mirror there. Then a pretty good sized walk-in closet where you'll find your iron and ironing board. Some extra pillows and blankets. Probably for that sofa bed we actually just saw in the living room. You have some luggage racks down here. Over here is the in-room safe. But before we head into the bedroom area, let's take a look in this closet here. It's where you'll find the in-room laundry. So kind of a bifold door there. So yeah, your kind of normal stacked washer and dryer here. Does look like it comes with a couple of things of laundry detergent. So take advantage of that. We always tend to bring our own. So that's the bathroom area. Let's now take a look at the bedroom. So really nice bedroom area. It's actually pretty good size. You do have a king size bed. And it looks like you have little Mickey ears here on the bed. A couple washcloths and a hand towel. So yeah, really nice here that they have some exposed USB and power outlets, some lights there. And then over here, another good sized television, atop kind of a chest of drawers or a dresser. And then over here, you have your full-size mirror. Well, kind of semi-full size. You can pretty much step back a little bit and see your entire length of your body in there. Chair over here, kind of a little kind of table. Looks like a little drum, but it doesn't sound like a drum. And then over here, kind of another nightstand where you'll find the telephone, another light, and more exposed USB and power. Now here in the bedroom, the window does look out to the outside, but we're gonna go out and take a look at the patio. Yeah, so heading out here, this goes out to the patio. Let's see if we can find a way to open this up. There we go, that was pretty easy. Yeah, so just a little kind of tiny little patio here. Not really much, just enough to kind of come out, sit on, maybe have a morning coffee, drinks in the evening. And you can see the other patios over here as well. 4 other rooms here at the property. And then over there, that's kind of where you'll find the main lodge. I think actually those units over there might be Copper Creek. We actually did a studio villa tour here of Copper Creek a number of years ago. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link to it up there. But that over there is kind of the main wilderness lodge area. And over here, it looks like we kind of have a glimpse of a view of the pool area here at Boulder Ridge. If you want to see that, I'm actually going to be showing that in a full resort tour. If you want to check that out, take a look at this video right here. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.